Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nu. Today I will show you one website. It is called Right to Repair Portal India. This is by Department of Consumer Affairs for Ministry of Consumer Affairs in India. So what it does is that in this portal you can um, find a way to repair your consumer goods, whether it is phone, laptop, air conditions, all those things you can repair here. So this is a framework which is going to be a significant change. It will give consumers a chance to repair their products in an optimal cost instead of buying new products altogether. So the important sector that they are focusing first of all is in farming equipment, mobile phones and tablet, consumer durables, automobiles and automobile equipments. So this is in the very initial stages right now, but it also gives a sneak peek into how it will look like. So here they can go and type in a brand and product name. As of now, it won't work because it's not yet fully operational. So if you search for mobiles phones, then you will be able to search uh, the mobile phones and the product subgroup. Then you will be able to see a repair guide and manual for each and every device that has been sold in India. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.